my, look at this big goof. Hold on, Nick, stop it. Did this just yell? Oh! Did you hear that? Go back, Nick, go back. Listen, y'all, we've all seen the headlines: cyber attacks on our power grid, drones in the sky, violent attacks on the everyday American. And the ugly truth is no leader, no system can protect you from everything. And the last thing that you want to be doing is being caught in line, depending on help that may never come. And when crisis hit, best believe that food is always the first casualty. Everyone needs it, and panic buying makes it even worse. That's why I made sure that my family is prepared with my Patriot Supply. Their emergency food kit gives you the nutrients that you need to stay strong in a crisis. With 2,000 calories a day and 100% of your daily value of 12 essential vitamins and minerals, this kit keeps you going when every meal matters. Right now, they're offering $50 off their 4-week food kit. Go to preparewithtatum.com now to grab yours. Don't put this off. Now is the time to prepare. That's preparewithtatum.com to get your 4-week food kit today. California transgender high school basketball player nearly outscored entire girls team. I gotta play this. I'm glad that we put this in motion. But let's just, everybody wanna say, oh, Republicans, this ain't even a real thing. It's just like 3 girls, 3 trans that's in the, how are you acting in good faith when you this girl? Oh boy, I call them a girl, I don't know what they are. Nowadays you have no idea what they are. Hanlon, a transgender athlete, played for the San Francisco Waldorf High School's girls basketball team. Let's see. This person's performance, I think that we're going to watch right here, on January 14, 2025, scores 29 points, leading the team to a 59-33 victory over a Jewish high school. Now, 29 points, weakened in the mud. But when the other team only scored 33 points, 20, you almost beat them with just you. But that ain't even the thing. Look at the person playing, though. Roll the clip. Look at this big goof in my, look at this big goof. Hold on, Nick, stop it. Did this just yell? Oh! Did you hear that? Go back, Nick, go back. Homeboy, you can see homeboy head is bigger than every girl head on the court, which already looks silly. Nick, watch this. I want y'all to listen. I'm going to shut up and let y'all listen. Homeboy gets the rebound. He runs down court, and when he gets to the rim and he lifts his hand up because he's open, because nobody can guard him, he go, ah! Watch this. Play it, Nick. Bro, you can't even go, ah! You gotta, I bet he can dunk. Nah, he kind of trash. That's why he a girl. So he get trash. He wouldn't even make the men's basketball team. He would be on the B team. But he on the girl team, killing, bro. That mama think he, Kobe Bryant. You sorry son of a gun. Ain't no reason somebody to, you know, you out there, play the clip back, no sound. I just want y'all to look at the demeanor. Rebounding on everybody. Rebound, 3 rebounds in a row. This don't make no sense, bro. They didn't say how many rebounds he got. This mother got 200 rebounds. 200 rebounds. Nick, I think he rebounded every single basket that didn't go in. It says that season stats average 21 points a game, which is kind of trash. Contributed significantly to the team's offense, scoring 150 out of 300 points. One player is scoring half of all their points. And I guarantee you, bro, they don't let him play the whole game. When they up on teams and stomping them out, they don't let him play. I bet coaches like, pass the ball. You can't shoot every time it'll look too obvious. Pass the ball to the other little frail girls on the field and let them play. He throw the ball just for him to throw it back to him. That person controlled this whole play, got the rebound, passed it to somebody who passed it back to him so he can pass it to somebody to pass it back to him to hit the goal. Their whole offense is this person. Bro, hold on. They should be ashamed of himself, though. You can keep it playing. I would be ashamed of myself. If I was trying to transition because I just felt I was in the wrong body, but I know I'm finna smash on these girls, I'd be like, you know what? Maybe I got to sit this out because I know I have this love and appreciation for womanhood. So I kind of feel like I guess I know what it is to be a woman. At minimum, I need to respect women. I'm finna smash on these girls and they're going to lose every single game now that I'm a part of the team. Why is it? Why am I bigger than every girl on the field, on the court? Why am I bigger than every girl on the court? Oh, because you a dude. That's why you bigger than every girl on the court. Why did I get every rebound in that game? Man, I swear to God is my witness. If my kid was trans, which will never happen. You 18, you can be trans. You living with me, you ain't trans or nothing. Only thing you finna transition to is transition that trash can out there and then put the recycling bin out there. That's the transition you're doing. You take trash in, put the recycling bin out. That's the only transition you're doing. When you're 18, you can do whatever you want to do. I don't care what you do. You ain't living with me being trans and stuff. But if somehow, some way, my kid was trans, hey, homeboy, I'm not coming to your game and looking like no fool. I'm at your game cheering you beat up these girls like that. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it, man. You're going and went breaking records and I'm in the crowd looking like I'm proud. Yeah. Let's go, boy. Let's go, Lindsay. Homeboy, forget his son out there. Forget his son ain't his son no more. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Lindsay, girl.